For the power test, my athlete is going to be doing a broad jump, but first he's going to warm up by doing some explosive high knees jogging, followed by some plyometric stretching. Here he's doing the lunges. It's important to do plyometric stretching when testing a maximal power test, as you don't want to reduce the elasticity of the muscles by stretching them out completely. Here I've got a 3 metre area marked out, and my participant will be completing one familiarisation broad jump before doing his 3 that will be tested. The best score from those 3 will be taken. He will jump from his feet, the front of his toes behind that line, and from the back of his heels is where the distance will be measured to. This is his first familiarisation jump, and he can ask any questions afterwards. This is my participant's first maximal effort jump. He's waited 3 minutes since his familiarisation jump, as he needed his ATP to restore to at least 80%. He's going to do his first broad jump when he's ready. From the back of his heels I can comfortably see that it's 2.2 metres right there. Here my participant is doing the 40 metre sprint for the endurance power test, but first we've got to warm him up with some light jogging for 5 to 10 minutes. This just opens up all those joints and gets the blood flowing. After he's done 5 to 10 minutes of light jogging, he's going to do some plyometric stretches, starting with some walking lunges. Followed by some sumo squats. Make sure to get nice and deep on those squats so that you use a full range of motion. My participant is now warmed up. He's taking a couple moments to rest just to calm down a wee bit. I've got the start mark there and the finish 40 metre mark over there, and the timer will start when I say go. Go! He's sprinting full bore as fast as he can to that 40 metre mark, and this timer will stop as soon as he crosses the line. Stop! Here my participant is warming up for the Cunningham and football test. He's doing his 5 to 10 minute warm up of light jogging on the treadmill, which he'll begin doing now. This warm up is just a light jog at approximately 8 to 10 k's an hour. Here my participant is doing some plyometric stretching. He's going to start doing some walking lunges to warm up and activate the ankles, hips and knee joints. After that he'll go on to doing some leg swings. My participant is now warmed up. All the muscles involved are now warm, have blood flowing. He's rested for 2 minutes approximately to get his heart rate down to a more moderate rate, and he will now commence the Cunningham and Fulmer test. The treadmill is set at 20 degrees, or 20% rather, and the speed is set at 12.9 k's an hour. This is his test until failure, and he will continue running. The timer has started since he got on, and it will stop once he gets to exhaustion. Here my participant is warming up for the Bronco test, which is the 1.2k shuttle. He's just going to run to the 20 metre mark and back with light jogging. He'll repeat this process for around 5 minutes just to get all of the joints, ankles, hips and knees all warmed up and the blood flow down the muscles. After he's done the light jog, he'll just do some static stretching. Touching the toes is a good one to open up the hamstrings and stretch it out. Even the calves if you point the toes up a bit. This on here is great for stretching out the quadricep muscles. I've got my markers set out at the 40 metre mark out there, the 20 metre mark there, and the 60 metre mark. So my participant has run through the test once already and he's familiar with it. So now I've just started the timer. As soon as he left that start point, he's running to the 20 metre mark and back. He'll turn around and run to the 40 metre mark. And once he hits that 40 mark, he'll go back, and then he'll go to the 60 mark, and then he'll go back, and he'll repeat this process 4 more times, making that a total of 5 times, using his aerobic system, which uses oxygen to convert the glycogen into glucose as energy for the muscles. Here my participant is just warming up for the beep test. I've asked him to do some light jogging with some plyometric stretches. Here he's doing the butt flicks to stretch out his hamstrings and quads. He'll continue doing this for around 5 to 10 minutes to stay warm and get the heart rate up. Here's my participant just waiting behind the line before he commences his first run. That will be on the beep. Beep! He has to get to the other side before the second beep. Beep! Which he did pretty comfortably. Here's my participant on his final run, exhausted, just waiting for that final beep. Beep! He gets inside before the beep. He's going to keep going. Oh, he did a beep. If he doesn't make it back before the beep, he's done. Beep!